Hey, what's up? This is Will Bullet here. What you see here is a 1998 or 1999 Friedrich K-Star 6,000 BTU air conditioner. And this is in my sister's bedroom, and the reason I'm showing you this now is because it has a big problem. I'll tell you a little bit of history first. My uncle bought this thing new back in 1998 or somewhere around there, and it sat in the attic for years, and until we bought this house in 2003, and he inherited this unit to us for my sister to use. And the Frigidaire Electrolux in my bedroom, that was also from my uncle, which was never used. Well, that was bought brand new in 2003. Then he inherited it to us after we bought this house. And but what happened to this unit just recently, it was dirty, and then it was leaking condensation on the floor, and my father slid the chassis out and cleaned it out, and he claims he had it tilted on its side. Then when he went to put it back in, it's not cooling. And so what happened is it was tilted on its side, and I believe there is a blockage in some of the lines. So I'm going to be doing this trick to run the compressor for a few seconds, and then let it cycle. I wait like 10-20 seconds, and then turn the compressor on for another few seconds, and then until I can clear the blockage of the refrigerant lines. Alright, so here we go. But first I want to feel the coil. I want to take this front off so I can feel the coils. And here it is without the front grille. As you see, it's a slide out chassis. That's unusual for a small chassis air conditioner. Yep, this shows this was the last of the good air conditioners. Yeah, he appears to be cleaned this out pretty good. Oh. All right, here we go. Let's see if this trick will free the blockage, whatever blockage it is. Okay, here we go. First, I'm going to feel where the blockage is. I'm going to do this first. I'm meaning to say that. That's not cold. Yeah, that's the problem. Like, some sort of blockage is causing it to not get cold. So far, there's no sign of it getting cold. It's like the hissing sound. It's making it act like it lost its refrigerant charge. Yep, still no sign of it getting cold. Not even slightly cool. Because when I turned it off and then turned it back on, like, the thermal relay kicked in, so it does have pressure. You can hear the pressure, so it still has refrigerant. And I'll just do this. Give it a minute. Okay, now to I hope this works. Come on. This is the last good air conditioners. One of the last good ones out there. Don't fail on me now. Come on. I'm gonna do this like few like 10-12 more times, and then I'll do a test to see if it helps, see if it fixed it. Okay, I've been cycling it on and off for about 11 times, 12 times. Alright, now to see what happens. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. This is starting to get a little cold down here. It's a little cold down here. I just don't like that constant hissing noise. It usually goes away after that's starting to get a little cold. Little barely cold. That's getting a little cold. Just on the sides here. Well, I've tried. It seems this unit is done for. Whatever happened, it shouldn't have lost this refrigerant. He shouldn't have punctured a line, because it had pressure and everything. I don't know what happened. Now it's just not doing it. It's not cooling. Because this bottom here, it just barely got cold. It did something, just not barely anything. The whole rest of here just didn't get cold. Well, it seems the 99 Friedrich K-Star has died. And we got this thing in place. It's a Dejavu. Oh, okay. December 2005. It's a 2005 Daewoo DC that's being used right now. Well, that's going to be the unit my sister's going to be using for now. This really sucks. Well, rest in peace, Friedrich K-Star. I really hate to see it die like this. So I guess we're just gonna take it out of the wall and scrap it.